Hi guys, my name is Gaurav. Welcome back to Taurus Tech. And Apple has finally announced the date that it's going to be launching the iPhone 12 series. So this event has been much awaited, and earlier this week Apple has sent official invites for this event that is going to be held on October 13th. So this event confirms that the iPhone 12 series is going to be launching on October 13th, but the Apple may have few products up its sleeves. Note that all of these products that I'm going to be telling you are the names of these products have not officially been confirmed by Apple. These names are based on rumors and leaks. Well, firstly, coming to the main products that are going to be the highlight of this event, that are the iPhone 12 series. We know that the iPhone 12 series this time is going to be coming with 4 phones, not 3 phones like earlier, but 4 phones this time. And it's going to be starting with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is going to be the most expensive and the biggest screen Apple has ever sold. And then comes the iPhone 12 Pro, which is going to be the smaller version of the most expensive phone, and this smaller version is 6.1 inches. The third phone that is going to be coming is going to be the iPhone 12 Max. So this is going to be the iPhone 12 Max. This is the bigger version of the affordable phone that is going to be coming this year, and this phone is also going to be the same size as the Pro Max, but it's going to be a little bit affordable. Then the most affordable smartphone, that is the iPhone 12 Mini. This is the smallest iPhone that is going to be coming this year, and it is a 5.4 inch display. This is going to be the smaller and the most affordable version of iPhone 12. Now that we are done with the iPhone 12 series, we know some other products, and these are only based on rumors. So the first main product is going to be the Apple AirPods Studio. So AirPods are just normal pods, and Apple has only sold earphones or earplugs or AirPods, but they have never sold an over-the-ear earphones. So they always used to sell Beats in their Apple store, Beats by Dre headphones, which were over the ear. But now Apple has stopped selling third party, that is non-Apple products, audio products in the Apple store, which means that the AirPods Studio are going to be coming, and it is rumored that it is going to be coming in this event that is on October 13th. The next product is the Apple AirTag. So the Apple AirTag is going to be a special tracker that is going to be available from Apple. Reportedly, this Apple AirTag has been in works for a long time, and there are no official confirmations about this AirTag, but the event invite which was sent out to YouTubers like MKBHD and Mr. Who's the Boss and a lot of people, this invite drops a big hint about the AirTag. So AirTag might be coming this year in this event. So the next product is going to be the MacBook. So Apple has never introduced MacBook with the iPhone series, but in June Apple announced that they're going to be launching a MacBook with Apple's own silicon chip very soon. But that didn't happen till now, so a lot of people are expecting that the new MacBook is going to be launching in this event that is on October 13th. The next product is the HomePod Lite. So the HomePod is a smart speaker that is available from Apple, but it's a bigger version. But this HomePod Lite is going to be the smaller version of the actual HomePod, and HomePod has never seen any update since it was launched for a long time. So this small version of the HomePod is expected to launch in this event. The next and the last product that is rumored is the Apple AirPower Mat. So this is going to be a wireless charging pad for all of your devices at one single point. This was showcased in 2017, but it was stopped, production was stopped and everything was stopped in 2019. But rumors suggest that Apple has revived the Apple AirPower Mat, and this could be showcased in this event, and this can be launched in this event. Well, I am very excited for the Apple event to happen on the October 13th. I am waiting to see how many products Apple is going to be launching, and I may be correct to an extent, but I'm not sure what's going to happen. But yeah, this was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends so that they can get to know all the new products that are going to be rumored to come in this event. And if you're new on this channel, please make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.